Hello, dear students. Welcome to the today's session of our history lesson number 5, the foundation of the Swaraj. In the last session, we have started with the lesson and we have reached up till the topic Shahaji Raje, that what was his vision. His vision was to establish Swaraj. Then let's continue further, that is on page number 19 of your textbook, with the topic Veer Mata Jijabai. Veer Mata Jijabai. Jijabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhoji Raje Jadhav of Sindkhed Raja in Buldhana district. Yes, we all know Jijabai was what? She was a daughter of with Sardar Lakhoji Raje Jadhav of Sindkhed Raja in Buldhana district, and she was wife of Shahaji Raje and mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Right? At a young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. So she was also very skillful and she had got a proper training in military section as well as she was educated in various subjects. So she helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. So the dream of her husband Shahaji Raje was to establish Swaraj. So she by using her talent and her education in all the ways, she was encouraging her husband Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was a competent and visionary political expert. Also, she had a broad vision. She was a real political expert and used to gave a tough competition to the other political experts. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. So she was upbringing her son Shivaji Maharaj in the way that his also vision, or he will also get all the skills. His mission, his motto will be of establishing Swaraj. So that way she was constantly guiding her son Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, turn your page. At times, she undertook the task of giving verdicts for resolving the problems of people. Yes, she was also, laying the work of a jury member. You know, the jury member opinions, their verdicts are considered to be nobody can say that yes, we give a different respect to the opinions of the jury member. So that way her opinions were given that much ability. She had that ability to give the decision in the court of law. So she also undertook the task of giving her opinions in the court of law for resolving the problems of the people. Whatever problems people were facing at that time, she was giving her verdicts. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. Yes, her motto, her aim was to give particular and all the skills and all the abilities she wanted to inculcate in Shivaji and give him excellent education. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage and fearlessness. So not only she was giving Shivaji Maharaj excellent education, but she also inculcated, inbuilt in her what values? Modesty, that how you should become a modest person. Then truthfulness, yes, always you have to be a loyal, honest and truthful person. Then oratory means what? How the art of speaking in the public section, means whenever you are giving speeches in public, how effective and the powerful your speech should be there. So art of powerful and effective public speaking, that is the meaning of oratory. Then vigilance means what? Always stay alert. You have to be cautious against whatever attacks or anything which happens. You have to be alert, you have to stay cautious. That was vigilance. Then courage, yes, become brave. And fearlessness, again, not to be scared of anything. You have to be always brave and courageous. She saw that he was trained in the usage of weapons and inspired in him. Also, she used to give in the training of how to use the weapons, and always inspired him in using those weapons. the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. Yes, she always inspired her son Shivaji and gave him always the vision of establishing the Swaraj and the dream of his father Swaraj. You have to think in that way. In that way, she always inspired him and how to win and how to dream the Swaraj. So that was her training, her education and inspiration. Now Shivaji's companions and associates. Companions means what? The people who associated him in his work for establishing the Swaraj. So Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. In which region did he started founding the dream of Swaraj? In the Mawal region. Why? The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Means the Mawal region was fully hilly area. There was many hills and valleys over there, and nobody can reach there. Nobody can reach there means it is not accessible. Means it was very difficult to reach that area. So they can very nicely, without any fear of the enemies, yes, they can of the oppositions, they can establish their Swaraj. So he chose the Mawal region. So nobody was accessible there, nobody easily can reach there. Shivaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of the Swaraj. Yes, due to this hilly regions and other geographical features of this Mawal region, Shivaji Maharaj very skillfully used all these features for the purpose of the foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of the people. Not only that, he also created in the mind of people trust. People started trusting him blindly, and also affection. People were loving him, were ready to do anything due to love and affection and trust. So that feeling was created in their minds by Shivaji Maharaj. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. So due to his nature of love and affection and trustworthy, many people started joining him in his Swaraj mission. Among them were Yasaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanhoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande and Dadaji Naras Prabhu Deshpande. So all these were the people who joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. They were his associates, companions. On the strength of these associates means due to the strength of these all associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. So Shivaji had these powerful associates, these powerful companions in his mission, and that's why he undertook the cause of the Swaraj. They were all his strength. These companions were his strength. Okay. Come to the point, always remember Bara Mawar, Pavan Mawar, Hirdas Mawar, Gunjan Mawar, Paud Valley, Muthe Valley, Mosa Valley, Kanand Valley, Velvand Valley, Rohit Valley, Andar Mawar, Nane Mawar and Korbarse Mawar. All these are Bara Mawar. These are the names of the Bara Mawar. Mawar Valley in the Sahyadris was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, the Shivaji Maharaj had his Pune Jagir. So one of that area, in that one region was that Mawar Valley, which was in the Sahyadris. It is also known as Bara Mawar. So this is for your knowledge. Remember, Mawar Valley in the Sahyadris was also known as Bara Mawar, and it was one of the region of his Pune Jagir. Okay. Then do this. This is for your information purpose. You can find out information about these associates of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, you can find out from the net. Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare and Baji Prabhu Deshpande. You can find out more information about these associates of Shivaji Maharaj. I'll take a pause for this video and continue further